Welcome to my channel Modern Tech Insights. Writing an SEO-friendly article in 2024 involves understanding the latest search engine algorithms, audience behavior, and content trends. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you craft articles that rank well on search engines. 1. Understand your audience. Target audience. Know who you're writing for. Understanding their needs, questions, and interests helps in creating relevant content. Search intent. Identify whether the audience is looking for information, making a purchase, or seeking specific solutions. Tailor your content accordingly. 2. Keyword research. Long-tail keywords. Focus on long-tail keywords as they tend to have lower competition and are more specific, helping you attract the right audience. LSI keywords. Use latent semantic indexing, LSI, keywords to provide context to your primary keyword, which helps search engines understand your content better. Keyword tools. Utilize tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to find trending keywords in your niche. 3. Create a compelling title. Include keywords. Incorporate the primary keyword in your title, preferably at the beginning. Use power words. Words like best, ultimate, guide, or the top can make your title more appealing. Keep it concise. Aim for a title that's under 60 characters to ensure it's fully displayed in search results. 4. Write high-quality content. Value-driven content. Provide actionable insights, data, and tips that solve the reader's problem or answer their questions. Structured content. Use headings H1, H2, H3 to organize your content. This makes it easier for readers to scan and for search engines to index. Engaging introduction. Start with a hook that grabs attention, such as a surprising fact, a question, or a brief story. Comprehensive coverage. Aim to cover the topic in depth, as search engines prefer thorough and authoritative content. 5. Optimize for on-page SEO. Meta description. Write a compelling meta description, 150 to 160 characters, that includes the primary keyword and a call to action. Internal linking. Link to other relevant articles or pages on your website to boost page views and reduce bounce rates. Alt text for images. Use descriptive alt text for images, including relevant keywords to improve image search rankings. URL structure. Keep URLs short, descriptive, and keyword-rich. 6. Enhance readability. Short paragraphs. Keep paragraphs short, 2 to 3 sentences, to enhance readability. Bullet points and lists. Use bullet points or numbered lists to break down information. Readable font. Use a clean and legible font. Avoid overly complex or decorative fonts that could distract readers. 7. Incorporate visuals. Use relevant images. Incorporate high-quality images, infographics, or videos that support your content. Compress images. Optimize image size to reduce loading time without sacrificing quality, improving user experience and SEO. Video integration. If relevant, embed videos that add value to the article. Videos can also boost time on page, a factor in SEO ranking. 8. Update and repurpose content. Regular updates. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and relevant. Search engines favor recently updated content. Repurpose content. Convert your article into other formats, like videos, podcasts, or infographics, to reach a broader audience. 9. Promote your content. Social media sharing. Share your article on social media platforms to drive traffic and increase visibility. Guest posting. Write guest posts on relevant websites with a link back to your article to boost authority and rankings. Email marketing. Promote your article through email newsletters to your subscribers. 10. Analyze and improve. Use analytics tools. Track your article's performance using tools like Google Analytics or Ahrefs. Monitor metrics like organic traffic, bounce rate, and keyword rankings. A/B testing. Experiment with different titles, meta descriptions, or formats to see what works best for your audience. Gather feedback. Encourage reader comments and feedback to understand what resonates and where improvements can be made. Conclusion. In 2024, creating an SEO-friendly article involves a combination of thorough research, quality content creation, and strategic optimization. By focusing on user intent, staying updated with SEO trends, and consistently improving your content, you can achieve better search engine rankings and drive more organic traffic to your site.